Write 3-digit possible numbers. With them. Chadu, read.
432.
Very good.
423.
Very good.
Next 342. 324.
Yes.
243.
4 manchara, write properly. 4.
234.
Okay. Now very good. You write very well done. You wrote well done. Ikkada chudu.
Smallest
So read this.
Smallest number.
Which is the smallest among these? Read it.
234.
4 is the smallest number. Next. What is this? Read.
Biggest number.
Which is the biggest number among these? Okay. Right there. 432 is the biggest number among these. Children, all these correct?
Correct.
Okay. All of you claps for all of clap.